Day 4. Not bad at all, really. Woke up feeling really bad. In terms of aching, I was stiff as a board. Getting out of the car again. Oh, yeah, ouch. Not much more to say on these blogs, really. Got there, did the rowing and the exercise as usual, of which I've done today as well. Came back, had breakfast, fruit and yoghurt, which was good. Meat stew. Need to rethink that with the gravy issue, because I like gravy, so I couldn't have gravy. It was okay. I blended it, put tomatoes in. I've got a picture of it. Doesn't look very appetizing. It was okay, but that's the only time I haven't sort of gone, wow, yeah, I really like this. Tomorrow for breakfast, I think I'll have a fruit smoothie and then a traditional roast, because I've got the Burley night. I'm going to get all dressed up, so that's going to be interesting, because that will be a late night. I'm kind of making my 10:30, I'm just looking at the time, making my 10:30 bed times-ish, not far off, sleeping pretty well, feeling pretty good psychologically, and I'm not hungry at all. So it's all good, and I shall try and look in before I go tomorrow, all dressed up in my Burley gear, with my paraben-free makeup, which is good. And so yes, I'm going to put a list on and I'll talk about things about where you can get them, because I have found that some places are better than others for getting food and makeups and cosmetics and other stuff. So all's well. More exercising tomorrow, I guess, followed by a massage so that I can actually walk and do my job tomorrow. So anyway, have a good night and I'll see you tomorrow.